Alright guys, so for this one, this is the wheels installed and the two front tires brand new, and the rears are the BF Goodrich G-Force Sport Comp 2s, and overall pretty good tire. I mean, I don't notice any road noise or anything. Like, the only thing that I've noticed with the bigger wheels and the lower profile, because I'm really not used to this spec. I'm used to 195 55 15s. I mean, if you're an Integra guy, 195 55 15s. So those are more of a comfort sport. These are just more sporty, and these are a lot more harsh compared to the 15-inch with the 55 series. Overall, it kind of feels like traction is definitely 10 times better. Before, I would get a 20-30 foot one wheel peel off of a Spirited takeoff with the 205s on there and the 16s. With these, I don't trip the wheels unless I really want to. I mean, yeah, I don't trip the tires, so it's a huge improvement. So one bad thing is that I noticed that it's just a lot more choppier and harsh with these wheels, but overall very satisfied with the look, performance, and the cornering's better. Drives a lot sharper. Well, here's the little walk around. I just washed it. Let me see, I think I have my Mikey, come here. I almost forgot about him in there, but yeah. And it is a little bit warm. I mean, it's a cool breeze, but inside the car is warm. But yeah, so overall, I'm pretty impressed with the car, with the wheels. Everything just turned out exactly how I just imagined it. Not sure on the spoiler. People keep saying ITR spoiler, but still kind of undecided. I mean, kind of getting old, and that spoiler is a little bit big. I mean, if they were a little bit smaller with like a little bit of rake and like just something a little bit more toned down, I would be all over it. But I just kind of like the clean look of it. I might get the low mount spoiler, or the A spec, which I believe is shorter, and then they have the 05 and 06 OEM low mount spoiler. So I might get one of those, who knows, and just paint match it quick. Most likely just get it from a good company who does good paint match, compared to something custom like the bottom. But yeah, so I use the Chemical Guys VRP, and it gives a nice soft finish, nice matte and everything. And yeah, and this is after washing the car, and it just it embeds itself into a porous tire, porous rubber. So, and that's not because it's a new tire, it's just the product, because the back one, it looked pretty ratty looking, and I just applied some, and it made it look so much refreshed, like almost like a new tire in a way. But this thing does have some miles on it. But yeah, so the wheels definitely, I tried polishing them. There's a little bit polish right there. Is that polish? Yeah, there's polish on it. I tried polishing them, I tried cleaning them, and yeah, they need a respray, but I'm not really gonna invest too much time in these. I'll probably just try and clean them up a little bit more. But yeah, so yeah, so there she is, just a quick little walk around. And man, still have the little chip right there. It's all good. And the only thing that kind of sucks right here is that it's primer and the wheel gap. That's the only thing that kills it right here, that primer and wheel gap. If that was painted and it was lowered about a couple inches, you guys would see a huge difference. I also put some BRP on the inner guards right here. Not sure if you could notice that. And I put some right here, but I got to put a little bit more. And yeah, because you could put it on like plastic, and it just makes it so much more dark, instead of like, see how that used to look like that. So But yeah, so alright guys, so that's just a quick little walk around just to show off the wheels. And I have a few other things I have planned that are just, you know, minor things. But as far as you know, digging deep, as far as, you know, like the brakes and drilled and slotted rotors, like what I want to do for the front and rear and stuff like that, I really can't do that stuff. But yeah, I think you guys understand and know. I'm also gonna get the vinyl strip that goes right here that I do to all my cars, because the SoCal sun, I hate it. So I'll probably go about 8 inches right there, just curve it this way instead of like curving it that way how people do it. I like to go this way to follow that contour. So that right there, about a week and a half ago I picked up some clear bra, 3M clear bra, and I'm just gonna try and do a little strip right here because I noticed I've been getting some rock chips. And yeah, so I'll probably just do one right here, do one on the other side, and then if I'm successful at that with the new heat gun that I got, I'll try and do up here, and I'll do the other side. And also I was actually thinking about doing it in the back too, because I noticed I already have a little scuff right here. Like, it's not nothing major, but yeah, one right there and another right here, and just do little sections at a time. I mean, they're almost invisible and everything, and I still have to do the touch-up paint right here, which I'm kind of dreading because it's such a pain just to like try and get inside there. But yeah, all right guys, so that's the video. Gonna end it right there. And yeah, that's the car. Hope you guys like and expect to see more. All right guys, see ya.